have explained to you on that. Then one nearest hundreds. After, when it comes to the nearest thousands. So nearest 1000 means, first of all, whatever whether it is a 5-digit number or 6-digit number. In this digit number, first of all, we have to find out the which is the thousands place. In the thousands place, which digit is there, how many thousands are there, we have to find out. For example, if I gave to you that 41,389 is there. In this number, which is the how many thousands are there here? 1000, not 10,000s. I'm asking about the only thousands. So one is the thousand, no? So 1000 is there. After 1000, which number is there? 389. Okay, 389 is less than 500. Yes or no? Less than 500 only, no? So we have to take that 1000 itself. Means what is the nearest 1000 of 41,389 is 41,000 only it will come. For example, in this number only, if the last 3 digits, if it has given 889. So when we are checked to the 889, it is greater than 500, no? So we have to take here next 1000. What is the next 1000 here? 2000. 1000 after which 1000 it will come? 2000. So the nearest thousands of 41,389 is 42,000. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you understood now? Yes or no? Amreen, are you understanding what I am saying to you? When you are focused on other things, you can't understand it, because when you are focused on this, what I am explaining to you, you have to take the interest first of all. After then you can continue. Okay. Now when you are finding, now next, like in this way only, how we have checked the near, how we have found the tens, hundreds and thousands. Like in that way only 10,000 also. First of all, if they are given any number, first of all, we have to find out how many 10,000s are there. So for example, when I take to this 81 lakhs 56,743. For this number, first of all, you have to place the place value. Give the place values to this given number. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000 and 10,000. In the 10,000 place, which digit is there here? 5. Yes or no? Means 50,000. So here 5 is there. So after the 5 here, when we are checked to the last 4 digits, 6,743, it is greater than 5,000, no? So we have to take the next 10,000s. 50,000 after which 10,000s it will come? 60,000. What is the nearest 10,000s of this given number? 81 lakh 56,743 is 81 lakhs 60,000. The answer is 81 lakhs 60,000. Okay, dear children, have you understood? Vasuki, Harini, did you understand? Now Deepika, Jahnavi, Harini, Hema Harini, are you understanding what I am saying to you? Sandeep and Ravi, Chitrala, Naga, Deepika, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan, come to the video point. Okay, I hope that everyone have you completed this topic, and we can go to the next. You can chat it with me, no, dear children. It's very easy for you. Actually, the 3rd grade and 4th grade children only, they are giving the good responses by chatting. Then what about yours? You have to send the message to me, no? Okay. Now next, our next topic, everyone should have to note down. International System of Numeration. Note down in your notebook, please. Tushar, don't play with pencils. Please, you have to focus on me, what I am saying to you. If you don't take any interest, then you can't able to understand. Call to your parent. Tushar, call to your mother. Call to your mother. Call to your mother, I said. Your mother not is there? Who are they nearby you? Huh? Who are they nearby you? Tell me. Be careful. Sit attentively and listen carefully. Okay? Okay? Will you listen carefully? Okay, now listen. Now next our topic is International System of Numeration. Note down in your notebook please. International System of Numeration. Look it here on the screen. Check the spelling and copy down in your notebook, dear children. International System of Numeration. Okay, what is the internet? In the Hindu Arabic numeral system, we have two types of systems are there. Do you know that what is mean by Hindu Arabic numeral system? Do you know that, dear children? So once again, please everyone should sit properly. Fold your hands, everybody. Fold your hands. Fold your hands and listen first of all. So actually in the now present in overall the world, wherever you may go, like America, Australia, wherever you can go, you can see the numbers only. No, in the when you are giving the money or anywhere, we can see the numbers only. That is called the Hindu Arabic numeral system. Present we are using which kind of system, which kind of number system? Hindu Arabic numeral system. So here which numbers? Here Roman numerals in the ancient period, means 2000 years ago, they did not use this kind of numbers. They have used the Roman numerals like V, X, L. These numbers already you have learned in the lower classes. No, next also it will come. So here when we are taking to this Hindu Arabic numeral system, what we are using like 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers we can call it as the Hindu Arabic numeral system. In this numeral system only we have two types of systems are there. What are they means? One is Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration. What is that? First one is Indian system and the second one is international system. Okay, dear children. First one is Indian system and the second one is international system. Okay. Now here in this Indian system, and what are the differences are there in between of Indian system and the international system means? So in India only, okay, when we are taken to the other countries like Malaysia, America, Australia, here they won't use the lakhs and the crores. They will call it as the millions and billions. What they use? What they call millions and billions. Actually, we have this Indian system. We have this kind of place values will be there. What are they? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and the crores. Up to the crores we can call. But when it comes to the international system, here, they were after 10,000 here, next they won't use in the international wide, means overall the world here, other countries when we are taken, except India, they will use here 100,000s, after then millions, after then 10 millions, after then billion. Okay, dear children, this is the difference between the Indian system and the international system. Okay. In the Indian system, what it will come? After 10,000, it will come here. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, we can call it in India. But when it comes to the other countries, overall the other countries here, except India, they won't use this lakhs and crores. They call it as the 100,000s, millions and 10 millions. This is the difference between the Indian system and the international system. Okay, have you cleared? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, dear children. Now, shall we check some few examples on that? So, one more thing. When you are giving the insertion of the commas also. Actually, we have learned that how do you have to insert the commas in the given digits. For example, if they are given like in this way, how many digits are there here? 7 digits are there. Totally we have 7 digits. How do you have to give the commas in this 7 digits means from last, okay, right side, no, this number it will start from 5, okay, and it will end from 3. From last to 3 digits after we have to give 1 comma, and after every 2 digits after we have to give the comma. That is this kind of system we can giving the insertion of commas is called the Indian system. What do you call? Indian system. So when we take to the international system, dear children, here the insertion of the commas, it will be different. Okay, how do you have to give? Will you tell me here? So last, are you understanding, dear children? Yes or no? Okay. Now first, from the last 3 digits after we have to give 1 comma. That means this 3 digits, it comes under the period of ones. Okay, under the period of ones. Next, after then in the international system, after then we have to take the 3 digits. Actually, when it comes to the Indian system, we take only 2 digits. Yes or no? Ones, tens, hundreds. This 3 it comes in one period, that is ones period. Next, thousands and 10,000s. What are they? Thousands and 10,000s. These 2 digits it comes in one period, that is thousands. Yes or no? So first 3 digits after 1 comma. Next 2 digits after 1 comma. 10,000 after which numbers it will come? Tushar. Tushar, listen. Next, after then, thousands and 10,000 after we have to give 1 comma. This is the thousands period. After then, lakh and the 10 lakhs. Lakh and the 10 lakhs. These 2 digits, it comes under the period of lakhs. So that after these 2 digits, we have to give here 1 comma. This is the lakhs period. After then, crore and the 10 crores. Up to then, it will stop. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you cleared on that? No? So, when it comes to the international system, so first ones, tens and hundreds. These 3 are the ones period. So, after these 3 digits, you have to give 1 comma. Thousands, 10,000s and the 100,000s also it will come in international system. Okay. Okay, dear children, are you understanding? So these 3 digits, for every 3 digits, we have to give the commas. For example, if it remains 1, we should have to leave on that. Okay. So first of all, now I'm giving this example on you. Then how do you insert the commas to this given number? Please, you have to send the message to me. Okay. So here, see. So so now listen, dear children. In international system, you have to insert the insertion of international system 5,014,893. So how do you give the insertion of Indian system and the international system? And please send the message to me. How will you give? How will you give the insertion of the commas to this given number in Indian system as well as in international system? Okay. Will you send the message to me? I will give you 2 minutes to you. Okay. Okay. Deepika, Harini, please send the message to me. I want to come to know whether did you understand or not. Jahnavi. Okay, send the message. Give me the reply, dear children. What I have to repeat? In Indian system, listen everybody. In Indian system means now we are Indians, we can use lakhs and crores. So for the lakhs it will come 2 digits and the crores it will come 2 digits, and the thousands also it will come only 2 digits. By separation of the periods you have to give the commas. Okay. By separation of the periods you have to give the commas. Means thousands after it will come 1 comma. Lakh and 10 lakhs after it will come 1 comma. Crore and 10 crores after it will come 1 comma. When it comes to the international system, okay, please everybody have a look on the screen, please, dear children. So here one of the box is there, no? In this box they have given ones, tens, hundreds. These three it comes in one period. So here you have to insert one of the comma here because one period it has completed, no? So next thousands and 10,000. This two it comes in the period of 1,000. So after then you have to give here 1 comma. Okay. Next 10 lakhs and 10 lakhs. After it will come 1 more comma here because this two comes under the period of lakhs. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you understood? No. So now listen. Now when it comes to the international system. So ones, tens, hundreds. This three it comes in one period, that is ones period. So this 100 after it will come 1 comma. Now next thousands and 10,000s and 100,000s. So thousands, how many are there here? 3,000, like 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. After this, all this thousands period after you have to give comma. Okay, understanding what I am saying to you? Okay, have you cleared, dear children? Okay, now give me the answer for that given a problem I have sent you, no? 5014,893. How do you insert the commas to this given number? Now one example I will give you. Next problem you have to do it yourself, dear children. Please, you have to copy down the answer for this given number. Where do you have to give the commas? Okay. Now the answer is in Indian system. In Indian system here. So first of all, 50 comma 14 comma 893 means 50 lakhs 14,893. We can read it as in this way. Okay, we have to join these two digits and we have to read it as 50 lakh. Write down, dear children, this number in Indian system. 50 lakh 14,893. Now this problem answer I will reveal you. Then remaining 3 you only have to tell to me. Okay. Now next, when it comes to the international system. International, very good, Vasuki, very good. Like in this way of giving the response I want, dear children. So you have to send the messages to me because 3rd and 4th grade children, they are very excellently, they are giving the responses. They are chatting with me, they are giving the answers to me. So superb they are. Now you are also, you have to chat it with me. Already you have grown up, they are elders to you, then you also have to send the message. Okay, very good. Okay, that is the Indian system, dear. When it comes to the international system, 5,014,000. Very good. Okay, Jahnavi. Okay, good. 5 comma it has to come. 5 comma 014. Now in India international system, how do you have what is the answer? It will come 5 comma 014 comma 893. Very good. Very good, Vasuki. You have gave the response to me. Well done. Okay, and you have to write in the number name also for this. Okay, dear children, these 2 Romans you have to take it as the homework and you have to complete it. Okay, will you do, dear children? Will you do? So here you should not have to think that one here 014 it comes in one period, no? So how do you will write? So 5,014,893. Shivasai, this is the Indian system of that answer. I want the international number, international system. How will you write? How will you give the insertion of the commas in the international system of this given number? Okay. Please, Harini. Send the message to share. You won't send the message to me? Okay, very good, Spandana. Shivasai did not inserted the commas. What, Jahnavi? Jahnavi, what is that? Tell me. Do you have any doubt? Yes? If you have any doubt, please send the message to me, dear children. Okay. Okay, dear children. Now, next topic, everyone should have to listen. These 2 Romans, you have to do it as homework, and I will give the key of that given answers also. I will send you. Next topic is Roman numerals. Already you have learned, no? Just now only I have explained it to you. Generally, we are using this kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, these numbers. What do we call? What do we call, dear children? This kind of numbers, like 1, 2, 3, 4. We are using, no, these numbers. What do we call for these numbers? Hindu-Arabic numbers. What is that? Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system of numbers. So when it comes to the here Roman numerals, these are the now present here 1, V, X, L, C, D, M. These numbers we call it as the Roman numerals. Why do we have to call it these numbers are Roman numerals? Means because in the ancient periods the Roman Catholics were there. They were introduced these numbers, so that for this numeral system we can call it as the Roman numeral system. Okay. Okay, dear children, have you cleared? Did you understand? And please, you have to, if you have the, please, you have to get your textbooks from here, collect your textbooks from your relative campus, Sankalpa or Shantiniketan, wherever you have. Please, you have to collect it from there. And because it will give you more help for you to check it, everything. Okay. And this box they have given, no, this you have to learn it. Tomorrow we will continue our session. Actually, we have completed our time. And tomorrow I will clearly explain to you once again this Roman numerals to you, dear children. And today you have to complete it, this practice time 6, and you have to write the number names of these given numbers also in international system as well as in the Indian system. Okay, thank you, dear children, for attending the class. Bye.